All right, bit of Dance Monkey then. So, normally on a piano, but it's all right, you know. You can play it on guitar, play anything on guitar. So here we go. We got your first finger's going to go on the 5th fret on the top E string. Third finger is going to go on the 7 on the B. And you're going to play those two together. And you can play with a pick, or you can play, I'm playing with just with my 1st and 2nd finger here. And I'm just kind of picking the strings, look, kind of pinching them. Okay, then we're going to go down to 2 on the E, 3 on the B, same thing. And we're going to slide that position up to 2 frets up, so 4 and 5. And then the last little bit here, 2 and 2. Okay, so we got da 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 da. Sorry, I thought you guys had gone.